Hey, gals and guys, this is Christopher Moser from MyMediaHelper.com, and this is kind of computer media related, kind of sort of. There's this service, and I have another video out there of two other services. Seek them out, or I'll put the link down there. Anyways, these are services that will send you products, and you can test them. And this is my last day for this study, so I want to put in my critique of everything to the fact that this is the last day I can do it. So if you go to this highlights.com, and I'll put the link in the description for that. And these are opportunities. So here will be your opportunities. Right now, I don't have any, and these are the studies. So this is the product that I have. It's called mud water. So we're going to make mud water. I don't know. So let's go into complete it, and they send you emails with instructions and everything. Right here, what to do, how to make it, and we're going to make it. I actually have the ingredients right here. But I just mostly want you to be aware that this is available for you. So if you have, if you need YouTube ideas and you like to test products, then this is a perfect solution for you to make some good videos. I guess. Am I making a good video? I'm not sure. Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, by the way. Close enough. Close enough. Okay, so let's complete this, and then let's see. We got high water. Please be sure to take this survey before trying your water original. As you move through the survey, ensure that you're reading all of that, blah, 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 blah. This is a confidential test. Do not share externally or on social media. So I'm going to go through this survey, and then we'll make the product. Okay, so I got my handy dandy instructions here on how to make this. So here's one stick, and we need a tablespoon of honey. So we got some honey. We need some 3/4 hot water. I kind of guesstimated it. It's probably not hot anymore, but it's lukewarm. And then 3/4 cup milk. And I estimated it there. And then I got an empty cup. So let's give this sucker a try. Combine one stick pack with 3.5 hot water. So that's probably a little more than 3.5. Go. All right. And then we'll open our pack and mix it in. Very exciting. This mud water. And stir well. Oh, I don't think I have anything to stir it with. I'll show you kind of what it looks like in a second. It looks like mud water, basically. If you can see that. All right. Well, I got a pair of scissors. Not ideal, but okay. And then add 3/4 milk and 1 tablespoon of honey. So 3/4 milk. Guesstimated amounts. And then some honey. I don't know how you open this stupid thing. I don't know. I'm sure you don't have to take the lid off, but oh well. So, I don't know what a tablespoon is. That's a tablespoon, I suppose. Ooh, it's all sticky. I'm all sticky now. All right, and then we gotta let stir again. Stir, and then enjoy. All right, well, I'm going to. All right. Let me see, I can taste the honey. I don't know. Let's stir a little more. Maybe I put too much liquid in, maybe. I might have put too much liquid in. It's okay. It's chocolatey. It's supposed to be some caffeine alternative. So they wanted me to try it and then continue the survey. So it's called mud water. If you want to look it up, really, I'm just doing this video to show you that you can go get some products to try for your YouTube. I'm not advertising the product. I can review it. It's okay. It's chocolate. It's chocolate, milk, and water. Basically, is what it tastes like, and honey. And I think I put too much liquid in. So it's okay. This mud water product testing thingy dingy from Highlight. I don't know if I would purchase it If you can read it here, it's got organic mushroom blend, chaga, reishi, lion's mane, cordyceps mushrooms, okay, and mycelium cultured on organic oats and organic sorghum. Wow, whatever that all means. Organic coca, organic spice blend. I have a feeling this is all organic. Which includes the spice blend, includes the organic cinnamon, the organic turmeric, organic ginger, organic. I like more organic Marianne myself, but organic ginger, organic skipper, organic Gilligan, organic the professor, Mrs. Howell, all organic. Cardamom, organic black pepper, organic cloves, organic nutmeg, organic black tea. They should just say in the beginning it's all organic, and they don't have to put organic in front of everything. And that's how you make it, and that's it, gals and guys. It's really not really for the taste of the product. I mean, I'm not saying don't buy it or do buy it. This is not really a product tasting video. It's more of a you can get products to for your channel to review. So I guess it's kind of both. I don't know. I don't think I'd buy it. But if you're into organic stuff, I could care less. Then there might be something for you. Okay, gals and guys, I think we're done. I think we're all done. I appreciate you as always. And I'll talk to you later. And have a good Thanksgiving. And if you celebrate that type of thing. And yeah, appreciate you as always. Subscribe, like, share, hit the bell for updates. Ding, 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 ding. Yes, I'm a ding, ding, ding. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Mark Twain famously said, whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it is time to pause and reflect. And I like that quote, because progress is rarely a straight line, and the loudest voice isn't always the right one. History is full of wrong turns and dead ends. We were once taught that cigarettes were good for breathing, and that sugar was a dieting tool. You can get alcohol out of a tap, but get put in a cage for having a plant in your pocket. And as a society, we're fatter, more anxious, more depressed, and sleep deprived than ever. And instead of sleeping, we take pills, and instead of energy, we load up on stimulants. While doctors distribute drugs, actual medicine is illegal. Because instead of finding the root cause, we rely on bandages. What's the solution? I have no idea. Can a beverage like Mudwater save the world? Not a chance. But sometimes all we need is a lead domino, an invitation to unlearn, to relearn, a healthy habit that leads to a healthy mind. Because everything from how we treat ourselves to how we treat each other to how we treat the planet starts from a healthier within. So drink different. You might just start thinking differently too, and that's a good thing.